Hey guys, it's World Animals here. Welcome back to another video, and today's video is about elephants. I hope you guys are having a great day and having a great week, and I hope y'all enjoy this video, so let's get into it. What type of elephants are there? There have been 16 different types of elephants in the history of the world. And when I mean like in the history of the world, I mean like from the Ice Age and before to like now. And some you might know are Indian elephants, Asian elephants, or the African bush elephants. And from the names, you could probably guess that elephants are spread out across the world. Now, where do they live? You can find them in Asia or Africa. They usually live in savannas, grasslands, or in the forests. And on this map, it could show you the areas where elephants are. So the red is the area where elephants are in the wild. So mainly just like Central Africa and a little bit of South Africa. And mainly just South Asia over here by India to just Indonesia. A little bit of that. What is their lifespan? The average lifespan for elephants is 48 to 70 years. The Asian elephant tends to have the shortest lifespan out of all elephants, which is 48 years, which is still pretty long for a lot of animals, but for elephants, that's really short. And I actually, for my opinion, I consider elephants kind of to be like us humans, because how elephants grow over time is crazy, because some animals, when they're babies, it takes them like 2 years to be full grown, but for elephants, it could take them like almost 5 years for a baby to grow to adult size. And it's just like us humans, how for us to grow to adult size, it'll maybe be like 16 years. And I think we kind of closely relate to them in age, just because of like 70 years and stuff like that. Now, how big can an elephant be? An elephant can weigh from 6,000 to 13,000 pounds. And it can be from 9 to 10 feet tall and be 18 to 21 feet long, which is pretty tall and heavy for an animal. And think about this, an elephant is about the height of an average basketball hoop, and it weighs more than a car easily, which is crazy. Now, what is their diet? Elephants are herbivores, which means they eat plants, and they can eat grass, shrubs, woody trees, fruit, and bark. And when I heard the word woody trees, I was a little confused, but I guess what they mean by woody trees is trees with a lot of wood. Or, my bad, also like bark, with bark and stuff like that. And who are elephants' predators? They don't have many predators, but hyenas, crocodiles, or lions might try to eat baby elephants or sick or injured elephants. Yeah, so a lot of these animals I mentioned, like hyenas and lions, they hunt in groups. So if there was an injured elephant that was like old and stuff, they could probably take it down, because these two animals specifically hunt in packs, which makes it easier for them to eat things, because the whole pack is helping. Unlike crocodiles, they usually are just by themselves, so I don't think they could take on an elephant by themselves. Now, elephant babies. A baby elephant is called a calf. When a baby elephant is born, it is 3 feet tall. And mom elephants give birth to one baby elephant at a time, but 1% of elephants can have twins. And 3 feet tall is about the height you usually get when you're in preschool, so like anywhere from 3 to 5. So yeah. And now it's time for fun facts. Now 1. They're the world's largest land animal. And land animals are just animals that live on land. And you could tell the two species apart by their ears. So yeah, what they mean by two species is they're probably talking about African elephants and Asian elephants. And their tusks are actually teeth, which is interesting, because technically their tusks can't be used to biting things, which is interesting. And they got thick skin, which means that it must be hard to, if like a needle were to go on them, for example, it will be hard for a needle to get through their skin since they have thick skin. And the elephants are constantly eating, which I'm not surprised, because since elephants are such big animals, and this is for a lot of animals, the bigger the animal is, the more food it needs to have energy. so they probably eat a lot of food for all their energy. And they communicate through vibrations, which is interesting because that's what usually bugs do, to communicate. And last but not least, a baby elephant can stand within 20 minutes of birth. And that's actually the same thing with a lot of animals that live in Africa and other places in the world. Like, for example, the giraffe, because I learned this from a TV show on National Geographic called Secrets of the Zoo, where when baby animals are born, like in the savannah and all, they have to be able to stand up within like a short period of time, or else their parents will most likely abandon them because of prey like lions or hyenas or other animals that might try to eat their babies. And that's crazy. Imagine like you as a baby within the first 20 minutes of being born, you being able to stand up. Like, that'd be super crazy. And that's the end of the video, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope y'all learned something new about elephants, and put down in the comments an animal you would love to learn about in the future. Hope y'all have a rest of a good week and a good day, and see y'all in the next video.